Hello there. Today is Friday, June 7th. It's about 5:30. And it's a warm day today. And our bees, on warm days, like to hang out. Right now the camera is 3 feet from the beehive. And the other hive is a little less active, but it's doing its thing. Again, I'm about 4 feet from the hive, and the bees are doing their flying up and coming back and going out, and they're keeping cool. See, if you notice in the entrance, the bees are fanning their wings. It helps circulate more air in the hive and keep the hive a little cooler on a really hot day. That's primarily what they're doing, is fanning the hive entrance, like a ventilation, air conditioning kind of a thing. That's when you know it's a hot day. And see these guys over here. And you see them near the entrance. They're fanning their wings. Right now the camera is 1 foot from the bees. I've got bees around me, but I'm not bothering them, so. Alright, we'll let them do their thing.